Now you guys know that we have a 2014 Ford Focus ST. We have a 2013 Nissan 370Z as well. That has a top mount single turbo kit. But we're not using any of those cars today. We actually have a car in our presence that she's gonna learn how to drive stick. So let's go ahead and get to it. We're not gonna waste any time. We're just gonna let her get in the driver's seat and we're gonna do this.
You teach me nothing yet. I'm getting in without nothing. No lessons. Not even like a homework. No homework. We're just raw dogging it.
Well, you've seen me drive it, so you should kind of get like the gist of it. So look, your left hand side, right? Left hand side, you have the clutch, you have the brake, and then you have the gas, right? So go ahead and get comfortable. So we should have used the I'm gonna put my seatbelt on because I know for a fact.
Yeah, you should put that on.
So we were gonna use the GoPro to do this, but you guys know GoPro has terrible quality with both audio. The video is it's eh, but we're just gonna give you like a first person point of view. So that's gonna be your brake, right?
Yes.
The left is gonna be your clutch,
yes.
And then the right is gonna be the gas, right?
Yes.
Now this is gonna be your shifter right here.
All right.
Now you have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth.
Okay.
In order to shift this, so in order to put it in gear, no matter what gear it's in, unless it's in neutral, the clutch has to be down. So right now it's in neutral, right? Press the clutch all the way down, make sure you can reach.
Yeah, I'm short.
Yeah, you're gonna have to, it's right here. Yeah, you got it, okay.
That's like farther, it's way farther than the brake.
Well, yeah, it's a clutch, it's supposed to go all the way down.
But I didn't think it was gonna be that far of a difference.
All right, so you can push it all the way down, right?
Okay.
Are you good? You can actually scoot the seat up if you need to.
What do you mean?
You can scoot it up, like it can rise. Is it too low or you're good?
Good.
All right, so what I'm gonna do now,
Step one.
that's step one. Now what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to show you, I'm gonna let you experience what it feels like to stall. That way when it happens at first, you're not gonna get scared.
I feel like that's forbidden.
No, so foot on the brake, or no.
Does that ruin the car?
I mean it can. Foot up off the brake.
Okay.
Now let it off the clutch.
Okay.
All the way, all the way.
All the way?
All the way. That's
Okay.
what it feels like when you stall.
Okay. So, do I gotta
So go ahead and press the clutch in.
I'm pressing on the clutch. No?
Okay, now let's press the start button.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Absolutely not.
So basically repeat what we just did, but go ahead and
So ease off the clutch, and then when you feel it move, and then
as you feel the car move, give it gas.
okay.
So
Oh
go. Like that, just like that. But you gotta give it more gas.
More gas?
Just more, yeah, more gas.
Okay.
But how you did it is perfect. You just gotta give it more gas.
Okay. Like how much gas? Like an inch?
So as you
2
feel
inches.
as you feel the car move, you gotta give it the appropriate amount of gas. So like,
Is there such thing as too much gas?
yes. Yes. If you give it too much gas, you're gonna jerk and then you might chirp the tires.
Oh shit. Okay. But I don't gotta. Alright.
Turn the.
My leg. I feel like I'm feeling a cramp coming into my car.
I'm trying to turn the air down because it's.
Okay.
Okay.
I like the air though.
And why is that on?
Okay. Wait. Okay.
Okay. Go, like that. Go. Okay.
Oh, okay.
You gotta ease into it. Okay.
Wait,
so
press the gas.
yeah, so let's put you guys down.
Okay.
So the clutch is all the way down, right?
Yeah.
So then when you feel the car move, right? Because the clutch has a grabbing point, right? The whole clutch is not the grabbing point on typical stock cars, right? So clutch is all the way down.
Okay.
You're gonna ease off the clutch. When you feel the car move, that's when you give it gas. And then you're just gonna transition.
Go.
Yeah. Yo, we're gonna be here forever.
I know. Okay.
All right, you got this.
Okay.
Clutch all the way in.
Okay.
All right, now here's what we'll do. So don't press the gas. Let it off the clutch a little bit. Wait till the car starts moving.
Okay.
Once it starts moving, just hold that. So you see it's creeping forward.
Yeah.
All right. Now give it gas, little gas. Okay, now let it off the clutch. No.
I did let it off the clutch.
But you're letting up off the gas too. Because what's happening is you're letting off the clutch, you're giving it gas, and then once you let it off the clutch, you're letting off the gas too, and it's just stalling. That's what's happening.
T-minus 43 minutes.
Yeah. So I'm gonna interrupt real quick. So it is currently Saturday the 14th, right?
Yes.
The 14th. It is 4:17 in the afternoon.
I need more gas.
By the time you guys are watching this, it's probably gonna be at least a month from today, at least. Just because by the time you guys are watching this, you have seen the other video of us doing a ride along with her. As you can tell, she doesn't look the same. She got her hair did. You see it?
I'm cute.
All right, so let up off the gas. Or I mean the clutch, slowly, 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 slowly. Wait till the car like moves. It creeps.
Okay. Okay, when it creeps, do I fully let go of the clutch and then just gas?
Yes. No. Give it gas, and then once you feel like you're moving,
feel gas,
yeah,
let go.
Yeah. So once you're in motion, then you let up off the clutch. But until you feel like Okay. Show us.
How is your calf not cramp? Because I feel mine.
It's different when you
Okay. I'm letting go.
Okay.
I'm letting go.
Feel the car creep.
Okay.
Like that. Just like that. Gas. All right. Let it off the clutch. Let go. Go. Okay. Stop. Just stop. Yo. Oh my god. You almost had it. Not enough gas.
More gas?
Alright, take 55.
55.
Let's go. Okay. Show us what you're working with. So let up off the clutch.
Okay.
Slowly. Feel the car creep and then give it gas. It's like that. Okay. Gas. Just like that. Let's go! See? Okay, now hold on.
Okay.
We gotta, okay. Little gas. Just keep this the same speed. We're gonna do a U-turn and then you're gonna stop and do it again.
Stop?
Yeah, so
I don't want to stop. Okay. I want to do donuts.
That's probably not it. Alright, okay, wait. Don't.
Okay.
So clutch in. Let it off the gas.
Okay.
Put it in neutral.
Neutral?
So neutral is this. That's neutral.
The wiggle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, now let it off the clutch because it's in neutral.
Okay, let it off.
And then press the gas. Alright, sorry. Brake.
Horrible teacher. 0 stars.
Sorry, because you know it's already in my head on what to do, so it's kind of hard to.
Okay.
Yes. Clutch. First gear. That's not very. That's third, yeah.
Oh shit.
So look. This is the numbers right here. So that's reverse, right? So reverse, you have to over, right? So this is first, second.
Reverse is I have to do this little ring thing.
Yeah, you have to push it up and then.
That's reverse.
Yeah.
But reverse on one of the same.
No. That's why, because this is a lockout. So this ensures
it locks
that
you from not going
in third. Yeah, because look, that's first, right?
That's
but
a good idea.
Put this up, it goes further over.
That's a good idea. Okay.
So I'll put it in first.
Wiggle.
Clutch in first. All right, now do exactly what you just did last time.
Right.
You got this.
Right.
All right.
Right.
Wait for the car to creep.
It's going.
And then like that. Not enough gas.
Not enough gas. All gas, no brakes.
Not enough gas, big dog.
Okay. One more time.
She's gonna burn the hell out of this clutch.
You know what?
No, you're doing fine.
Okay.
Clutch in. Give it a little gas. Like that. Perfect. Let's go. All right, now do the exact same thing.
Do I get a prize?
What do you want?
I want Cane's. Or
Chick-fil-A.
Or a milkshake.
We'll go with milkshake. It's cheaper.
True.
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Clutch in.
Okay.
Neutral. Brake.
Oh, sorry.
Ew. Slow. Wait for the car to move. Gas. There you go. Just like that. So that's 2 times in a row without stalling. Can you do it a third time?
Yes.
First gear.
Okay.
Gas.
You jinxed me, dog! You jinxed me! You jinxed it! You hella jinxed it! Oh, I was doing so good.
Did you guys see that? Ragdoll's in here.
jinxed it.
Okay, let's try it again. First gear.
Okay.
And we're gonna go, okay, let off the clutch slowly. As you feel the car move, gas, clutch off. Just like that. And again, obviously, right, it's not the smoothest, but the point is we're trying to practice the ratio, right? The clutch to gas ratio. As you learn more, start driving more, then you'll start getting, you know, that smoothness down pat. You got this?
I got it.
Uh-huh.
I got it.
There we go. Wait, we're moving.
You know, a win is a win. A win is a win. Why is that?
Lord, okay.
Why is that so hard?
What, the neutral?
Yeah.
This is neutral right here, so
Yeah.
it's in the middle because you're doing this. That's why you gotta know that this is neutral right here.
But
She'd be going like all around the world. Neutral? That's neutral right there, yeah. We're gonna see if you can take it a step further and go into second gear. All right, now let's see if you can get out first. So, gas.
gas.
Press the clutch in. Out the gas. Put it in second. Now, ease about the clutch and give it gas. Okay, stop. Clutch.
Sorry. You have to explain that before I do that.
Okay.
All right, now go to second.
So let me explain it. So we're in neutral, right?
Yes.
You can let up off everything. Just keep pressing the brake in because we're on a hill, so we might roll.
Okay. So I went first.
Let it off the brake. E-brake's on. All right. So what we're doing now, right? So let me explain. So when you get out of first, right? You already understand that whole process, right? So clutch, neutral, brake to stop, and then to go. Press the clutch in, ease about the clutch, let the car roll, and then you give it gas, right? Mm-hmm. So we're already rolling, right?
Yeah.
So you're already in first gear. So as the car is already rolling, so you don't have to really treat it as if it was like at a complete stop, right? Because it's already rolling. So to get out of first gear into second, press the clutch in, put it in second, and then just switch to gas. Now that doesn't
I'll
mean
let go of the gas.
Yeah, no, let it off. So as you're rolling,
I'll just let it roll.
So you're already rolling, right? So you're already in first gear, you're rolling, right? So and then you press the clutch in, let it off the gas, put it in second gear, and then do that. Yeah, don't dump the clutch, but you don't have to ease out of it as if
dump the clutch.
Don't meaning like don't like just let it off it.
Oh, same thing?
It's same thing, but not as slow. Not as slow. Yeah, you could just like kind of just ease. You know what I mean?
All right, coach. Wait. Okay, wait.
All right, yeah, turn us around. Let's see.
Wait. Why did it take so long in the beginning?
Like that, gas.
Oh! Sorry.
You're good. All right, now. Sorry, guys. She dropped the camera. Okay. So go ahead and get this out of first. So first gear.
Okay.
All right, and then you're.
Wait, am I going to second from here? I'm already gonna go.
Do you feel comfortable, or you want to continue practicing first gear?
I can go to second from here.
Okay.
That's far enough.
Yeah. Give it gas. Okay, clutch.
Why is it doing that?
Because you're not giving enough gas, so it's like just going in and out. Gas, and then it's not helping that we're jerking, so your foot's like doing it too.
Oh.
Yeah. So you're gonna turn around.
Okay.
You're gonna pick up a little speed, and you're gonna get into second gear. All right, second gear. That was quick, but okay. Now don't get too excited. Now brake a little bit. Brake a little bit. Okay. Now turn around. No, give it a little gas.
Okay.
Little gas. Just like that. Okay. Now go.
Go where?
Just maintain the speed. Yeah, just go. So you see what I mean by maintaining it? Like you can slow down, but don't slow down too much. Okay, now give it a little gas. Alright, sorry, brake. Sorry.
Whoa!
Sorry, that was my bad.
Tell
Low
me
brake.
how you really feel.
Okay, now gas. Okay. Gas. Okay. Now brake a little bit. Brake a little bit. Okay. Get a little gas. Maintain the speed. Okay, now stop. Clutch. Neutral. And then brake. Perfect. See? High five. You see it? You get it? Okay. go into second gear and stop on that side. Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
Actually better than I thought, to be honest. I mean, I didn't expect you to do bad, but like, that was kind of like, it was progress.
Because I'm Asian, huh?
No, it was progress.
It's because I'm Asian.
Because
Because I'm Asian.
no, it's
and I'm
not.
a female.
No, it's not. It's because I don't know, I just didn't expect it. I mean, that was
I
process.
did good, huh?
You did, actually. You did. Because now that you know how to get into first and then shift to second, you can do every other gear. Because literally, look, that's the most important thing about driving stick. You gotta know how to get into first gear and then shift to second because it's a higher gear. So now you know how to shift out of first into a higher gear, and then you know how to stop. That's literally the whole fundamental of driving stick.
I had fun.
That's good. Wow. All right, now let me show you. Let me show you.
Now let me drop the Nismo.
Lord. She get a little excited.
Whoa. Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.